You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Yes, the spelling can be a little bit confusing. It very much looks like the word later, but it's got two T's, and that makes the whole difference. So, in British English pronunciation, latter, la-ter, latter. In American English, however, in the US, the pronunciation is as latter, latter, or ladder, ladder. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.